Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So firstly you have to take your BLACKVIEW. Here you have the slot for the SIM card. You just get it like this, then put your SIM card here and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter PIN code, and yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.